Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, I feel like, since I've been able to do a get ready with me. So today's the day. We're gonna sit down, relax, put on some makeup. I feel like I got a little bit of a spring theme going on today and I'm digging it. Really trying to get myself in the spirit for spring, happiness, new beginnings, all of that. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna hang out, put on some makeup, and chit chat. So yeah, if you guys are interested in hanging out with me for a little bit, then keep on watching and let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start today by priming with this Too Faced HangoveRX primer. I feel like I've used this in the past and I said that I didn't like it, but recently my skin has been really dry, so I've been into it because it's just really moisturizing, reviving, and all that. Oh my God, my hair is gonna be an issue today. I recently started styling my hair different, obviously. Well, I don't know if it's obvious, but it's obvious to me. And I don't know, like I'm so torn with it because I feel like I kind of look like a 70s mom, but I'm not sure. So let me know in the comments what you think of my new hair. And no! Oh, I dropped my brush on the floor. So good though, 5-second rule. Let me know what you think of my hair because I could do a hair tutorial if you like it because I like it. I just like sometimes I think I look like a 70s mom, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm mixing my foundation on my hand. I'm using the combination of the Selma Hayek foundation that I used to use all the time, but I stopped because I don't know why. But I'm back on it, and it's just like the most natural looking foundation on my skin, I think. So I combined both shades because I can't find the right color for me, so it's just a combo. Oh my God, this brush is new too. I feel like I've been using it for so long, but I feel like I haven't been talking to you guys in so long, like legit. But this brush is amazing. It's the Artis Palm Brush Mini. And I don't have the big one, but I can imagine it would be like really difficult to use because this one is just so perfect. Like I feel like I make my foundation go on in like 2 seconds. I highly recommend using this brush for foundation. All right, so I'm gonna conceal using forever my favorite concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, and yeah. Oh my God, this sponge, I love it so much. It's a Tarte sponge, but I'm very upset because the other day, a tragedy happened where I burnt it and there's like a huge melted spot right there. It's the worst. Let me get a zoom. You can barely even tell on camera, but it's like, right here is just completely annihilated and you can't use it. Like it's forever sticky. It's not a good feeling. I need to buy a new one. I'm really upset about it. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite sponges have been recently. I've been really into trying new sponges. There's so many good ones out there and I feel like I was so close-minded for so long with just using the beauty blender, but I feel like I've been trying so many good ones. So comment down below, let me know what your favorite sponge is and I want to purchase some and give them a whirl. All right, so I'm gonna set my face using this. What is this even? This is the Essence. It's literally broken. It survived. It's the color correcting mattifying powder. I've been loving this powder again. I was using it all the time forever ago, but then I started using the Charlotte Tilbury. But this stuff, like, I swear it's the best powder ever. I don't know, like, the Charlotte Tilbury started making me crease again. But this one, I don't crease and like it's really smooth and airbrushed looking, I feel. I don't know, I really like it. It's affordable. It's just a good powder. And this brush though, this is a perfect under eye setting brush. Do you see this? Perfection. I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick because it just takes way too long, so BRB. You know what's so crazy? Brows are on, first of all, but so crazy. I've been priming with a different primer. It's crazy, I know. But this is actually the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I'm gonna be completely honest because sometimes I feel like it's not as heavy duty as the MAC Paint Pot, but it's nice. Like it's easy to apply, it's light, it doesn't feel too heavy, and like sometimes I feel like the paint pot can get a little too cakey looking. I don't know, just me. It feels so good to be back here filming, like actually filming. I feel like it's been so long. I legit was like, why did I say legit like 20 times? But I was looking at my YouTube, John, the other day and saw that I hadn't posted in 3 weeks. And I was like, oh my God, that's been the longest ever since starting my channel. But I'm gonna use the Too Faced Melted Chocolate palette. And I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here called So Bougie, right there. But yeah, sometimes I feel like you like need a break to be able to come back full force, better than ever. And like I went home for a little bit. Can you see past my hair? Went home for a little bit, came back, did some stuff. Just kidding, I really didn't do anything, but I was sick for a little bit. It was like a combination of everything, you know, but I'm back. I can't believe that we hit 100,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Means so much to me, actually, like for real. Especially like during a little hiatus to like hit that, I was like, damn, that's crazy, you know? I'm gonna take this shade right here called, it's upside down, hang on. Cocoa Truffle, this one right here. And this is actually a Lisa Frank My Little Pony Glamour Dolls brush. All right, I'm just gonna start building up my lower lash line. And I'm just putting the shade So Bougie on it right now. I was gonna do a winged liner, but I'm having doubts now. I don't know. I really don't know. What do I do? All right, I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna do a wing. Lashes are on. I'm kind of having a regretful moment right now about adding the wing. Sonic, I blame you, but it's all good. I just threw on some lashes and mascara, and now what's next? I'm gonna bronze using the Spark Out Princess that is like literally so destroyed. It's getting pretty nasty, and this brush. Ooh, speaking of which, well, not really, but this is kind of random, but I really want to do a Q&A, so I figured I'll do it the most formal way possible. So leave your questions down below. I want to answer your questions today. Just kidding, not today, but I'm gonna possibly in my next video do a Q&A, so leave questions down below for me to answer. They could be about anything. I'm here for them. I haven't done a Q&A in so long, and I feel like it's overdue, so leave your questions down below. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So leave your questions. Don't leave me hanging, and I won't leave you hanging. So do it. Oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't forget to say that. I've been forgetting to say that for the past like 5 videos. So I recently got this in the mail from Huda Beauty. I got all of her new highlighting palettes. I'm not sure how I feel about them yet, I'm not gonna lie, but mostly because I'm very resistant to use it the way that you're supposed to, with like this as a base, and then you go with this, and then I think one of these. I don't know, I'm very resistant of that, but I used it with like a packing brush before, and it was like really intense, like it was just like a streak. So we're gonna try it again, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Santorini, and we're gonna see if it looks better this time. It's a pretty highlighter, but it was just really like hard to blend and look seamless. Like that, look at, it's really, really pretty. Like you don't even need a lot. So maybe that's what I did. I just put too much on, I don't know. It's actually really, really pretty. For blush, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Love Flush in the shade How Deep Is Your Love? How deep is your love? Is that how that song goes? I don't know. I might just add some of this on top. See what it does. Tone it down a little bit. End result of lipstick was this Too Faced Melted Peony, along with just a tad of this Pixi by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lipstick in Pastel Petal. This one wasn't pink enough for me, and this one was a little bit too pink for me, so just a combo did the job, did it good. Lastly, oh, I did not expect that to work. Okay. Got my fan ready. Yeah. Oh, I forgot I was gonna do freckles. Should I add freckles? Yeah? Okay. I always use this Tarte eyeliner brush for freckles. I don't know what it is, but it gets me like the perfect consistency. And then I always use the Modern Renaissance shade Warm Taupe. Oh my god, I have like none of that shade left too. But I'm just gonna do a couple freckles like in the nose area, a little bit on the forehead, and a little bit on the chin. It has to be consistent. So if you're gonna have them on your freckles, like, I don't know, it's like a pet peeve of mine when I see people just put them like right here, because it's like, that, like, it doesn't work like that. I mean, maybe if you have freckles right there, then like don't come for me, but like, I personally like, and honestly, like this is also gonna be really subtle that you may not even be able to see them on camera. It's just like, sometimes if I do my face like too much, not like too much like cakey, but like too perfect, it's like, it doesn't look real. So just a little imperfection brings it back around, you know? Really, really subtle. And then after I add the freckles, I always take a sponge and blend over top of them. That way they look like they melted into the skin. That way, like, they're not too prominent. Like, you don't want to look like it's over the makeup. And I know, like, oh my god, faux freckles are so 2016, but I don't care. I still like them. After you blend over top of them, they're almost not even there. But that's what I like. See? All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this really relaxed get ready with me. It's been so long and it feels so good to be back, but I hope you enjoyed. I already said that, I know. Anyways, I hope, oh my god, am I really about to say it again? Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, because I know you did, and if you didn't, you should probably have clicked out by now. But give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on my other social medias. I'll have them all linked down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to leave a question for a Q&A. Don't forget. Bye!